folks, Doug here. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. I don't know what I was thinking when I made up these rules, but I'm not going to do this again. So it's 6 a.m. in the morning, and I'm going to switch over to my computer and do the randomized search for the winner of the WingSung 3013. Wait for it.
Wait for it!
I have copied the URL of our video, the vacuum filler shootout video, and I'm going to paste it into our comment picker. There we go. And we will find out who our winner is. We scroll down and we start the process. Good luck, everybody. Clark Bilgrave. Congratulations, Clark. Good for you. You've won the WingSung 3013. All you have to do is contact me. My email address is in the About section of my YouTube channel. Send me an email with your address and I will shoot that pen off to you. Now I'm going to, off camera here, pick another winner and write the name down, because in case this person here does not collect their reward within 1 week, so 6 o'clock next Saturday a.m., I will contact the second winner and let them know they have a week. And we'll just keep doing that until someone gets this pen. But I'm hoping Clark will contact me. Okay, now we're going to shoot over here to the actual pen itself, and here she be. And I did a video previous to this to show how to clean this pen out, because I had it full of ink while I was doing the video, and I thought, well, I can't give it to you full of ink. So I thought, well, while I'm cleaning it out, I might as well do a video on how to clean out a 3013 WingSung. And for your edification, here's the box it's going to come in. We're going to put it in its little elastic. This is a Pen BBS box. They are very, very useful. Put the foam in there, and she's all ready to box up and send to you. So even though we haven't discovered who the winner is yet, I wanted to send this pen out in a clean shape, and so I was going to clean it out and then have it all ready to mail to the winner on February 1st. But I thought, well, here's an opportunity to look at how to disassemble the WingSung 3013 and clean it out. So I thought I'd do it on camera. So here's the Edelstein ink that I put in the pen, so I'm going to save that. No, you're not getting this ink. So we're going to unscrew the cap, and we're going to pull the piston back, and we're going to eject the ink, and we'll do that a couple of times, and then we'll put that aside. Take that cap off, pull the plunger back a bit, and this little ring unscrews here, so you have to be careful when you're cleaning not to lose this little piece. And there is a small flatted section. Yep, there it is. I knew there was one right there. So what you can do is you can put your adjustable spanner or your crescent wrench just on that little flat bit, and I'm using very little pressure and just going to give it a slight turn, and that just releases the pressure there, and then the rest is hand tight, and then that whole plunger will just pull right out. That section does come off, and I can take that feed out and replace it, which I think I'll do. And that makes this cleaning this barrel a lot easier. That all goes together. And there's your beautiful cleaned up pen. And again, to all of you, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that button so you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. which I'm actually doing in about an hour from now. And it will be the new Pen BBS 500 I've been waiting for, the Galaxy 500. So look forward to that video going up in about an hour. And it just leaves it for me to say, thank you for watching, and that's all she wrote.